County until 3 p.m. At 11:40 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Force: radar. Tag: flashing of small creeks and streams. Urban areas, highways, streets, and impasse, as well as their portage and low-lying areas. Locations that will experience flood include Edgehill, Goldsboro, Clinton, not all, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Benson, Wilmette Creek, Wynn, Hope Hills, Spring Lake, Irwin, Eastover, Coates, Roseboro, Edmond, Garland. Around, don't drown when entering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur at vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and not drive on flooded roads. Reading: a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 p.m. following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Johnson, Moore, Sampson, and Wayne.